potent. Big up yourself, the general. Everything good? Oh, yeah, I had a nice shades on the hat, so I want one. Yeah, where's that, Sonny? Oh, show you what? Where's the eye for immigration? Where's it? Alright, Thompson looks ready, so we're gonna do this right now. Are you ready, mommy? You're ready to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready for this performance on the Western Union Cultural Stage this afternoon? Alright, Thompson, it's over to you.
Jumbo. Greetings, everyone. I'm going to ask you to help me and all of us, because we're going to bring out the rhythm, and I know all of you have rhythm here. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to say hello in Kiswahili, which is Jambo. Can you say Jambo? Jambo. Wonderful. Jambo. Jambo. Right. Jambo. Along with the beautiful, wonderful, energetic salsa dance theater company from my book, Story. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Old man was walking. You could hear him coming because he only had one good leg. The other was a wooden stone. And this is the sound old man's leg made when he walked. Boo, cha, boo, cha, boo, cha, boo, cha, boo, cha. Every morning, old man would wake up early. You see, he and his wife had to work on the farm. But this particular morning, Old man woke even earlier, just as the half a moon was pouting her lips to kiss the last star. So old man got up early and started off down the hill. Boo cha, boo cha, boo cha, boo cha, boo cha, boo cha. He got up so early. This was when the half the moon was pouting her lips to kiss the last star. As he walked, he heard the rooster crow. He heard the birds sing out their good mornings. He thought he heard a snake. Old man said, you know, I ought to stop and deal with that snake, but I can't stop. You see, old man had a